Welcome to Health and Wellness. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. We all know that healthy eating is a cornerstone of maintaining our well-being, and it becomes even more crucial when we're seeking weight loss. Now, one fantastic way to ensure we're getting the nutrients we need is by incorporating smoothies into our diet. Why? Well, smoothies are not only convenient, but they're also a delicious way to pack in a ton of nutrition in one go. They can be a powerhouse of fruits, vegetables, and other superfoods, offering us vitamins, minerals, fiber, and even protein. Plus, they're incredibly versatile. You can mix and match ingredients to suit your taste buds, dietary needs, and even your mood. So whether you're a seasoned smoothie lover or a curious newbie, you're in for a treat. Now let's dive into our first recipe, the Green Power Smoothie. Our first recipe, the Green Power Smoothie, is packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's a healthful blend of spinach and kale leaves, giving you a hefty dose of iron, calcium, and a multitude of vitamins. These leafy greens are not just low in calories but also high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Next up we have cucumber, a refreshing ingredient known for its hydrating properties and its generous contribution of vitamin K. To sweeten the deal, we add a green apple, which brings a delightful tartness to the mix. Apples are a fantastic source of antioxidants and dietary fiber. Avocado is our next component. This superfood is loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and a bevy of vitamins, including vitamin K, vitamin E, and various B vitamins. It gives the smoothie a creamy texture and a richness that will keep your hunger at bay. The juice of half a lemon adds a zesty note, and it's a great source of vitamin C, which aids in iron absorption. Finally, we blend everything with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. This dairy-free option adds a subtle nutty flavor and contributes to the smoothie's velvety texture. If you like your smoothie a bit colder, feel free to toss in a couple of ice cubes. Blend all these ingredients until smooth, adjusting the consistency by adding more almond milk if needed. Enjoy this nutritious and filling smoothie that's perfect for weight loss. Next up we have the Berry Blast Smoothie, a rich source of antioxidants, fiber, and protein. This vibrant blend starts with half a cup of mixed berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, take your pick. These berries are not only bursting with flavor, but they're also packed with antioxidants that help to protect your cells from damage. Next we add half a ripe banana. Bananas are known for their high fiber content, which aids digestion, and their natural sweetness, which makes this smoothie taste like a treat. To give this smoothie a creamy texture and a boost of protein, we include a 1/4 cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt. This wholesome ingredient is a great source of probiotics that promote a healthy gut. Chia seeds, a tablespoon of these little wonders, are added next. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They also have the unique ability to absorb liquid and expand, giving you a feeling of fullness and helping to curb your appetite. The liquid base for this smoothie is a cup of unsweetened almond milk or coconut water. Both options are low in calories and high in nutrients. Finally, you can add a few ice cubes if you prefer your smoothie chilled. Blend all these ingredients until smooth, adjusting the consistency with more almond milk or water if desired. This satisfying smoothie is another great choice for weight loss. Our third recipe, the Tropical Paradise Smoothie, offers a taste of the tropics while supporting your weight loss goals. The first ingredient we'll need is a half cup of pineapple chunks. Pineapples are not just juicy and delicious, but they also contain bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties. Next, we'll need a half cup of mango chunks. Mangoes are a great source of vitamin C and fiber, and they add a sweet tropical flavor to our smoothie. We'll also add a half of a ripe banana for natural sweetness and a good dose of potassium, which is essential for heart health and proper muscle function. To give our smoothie a creamy texture and a boost of protein, we'll need a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of probiotics that help support a healthy gut. Next, we add a tablespoon of coconut flakes. These not only add a hint of tropical flavor but also provide a good source of healthy fats that can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Finally, we'll blend all these ingredients with 1 cup of unsweetened coconut water or almond milk. Coconut water is hydrating and full of electrolytes, while almond milk adds a creamy, nutty flavor and is a good source of vitamin E. Blend all these ingredients until smooth, adding more liquid if needed. This smoothie provides necessary fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support weight loss. Now let's move on to our protein-packed peanut butter smoothie, a satisfying option full of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. This smoothie is a powerhouse, brimming with ingredients that will keep you satiated while also aiding your body's muscle recovery. Our first ingredient is natural peanut butter, a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats. It's also incredibly delicious and gives our smoothie a rich, savory taste. Next up is a ripe banana, adding a natural sweetness and a good dose of potassium, an essential mineral that aids in muscle function and hydration. We're also adding cocoa powder, and no, not just for that delightful chocolatey flavor. Cocoa is packed with antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Then we toss in some rolled oats. Not only do they add a lovely texture, but oats are also a great source of fiber, keeping you feeling full for longer. Greek yogurt follows, another protein-rich ingredient that also adds a creamy texture to our smoothie. Lastly, we pour in unsweetened almond milk, a low-calorie liquid that keeps our smoothie light and drinkable, while also providing a dose of calcium. Blend all these ingredients until smooth, adjusting the consistency with more almond milk if needed. The end result? A creamy, protein-rich smoothie that's perfect for a post-workout snack or a filling breakfast. This smoothie not only aids in weight loss but also supports muscle recovery. So the next time you're looking for a nutritious, protein-packed drink that also tastes amazing, remember our protein-packed peanut butter smoothie. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you. Our fifth recipe, the Detoxifying Green Smoothie, is refreshingly hydrating and filled with detoxifying properties. This smoothie is a blend of ingredients known for their health-boosting effects, and it's as easy to make as it is beneficial. Let's start with the base 1 cup of spinach leaves. Spinach is an excellent source of iron, fiber, and vitamins A and C, supporting a healthy immune system and promoting digestion. Next, we add half a cup of chopped cucumber. Cucumbers are known for their high water content, making them a hydrating addition to any smoothie. The tropical twist in this smoothie comes from half a cup of pineapple chunks. Pineapples are not only delicious, but they're also packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and a special enzyme called bromelain, which is known to aid digestion and reduce inflammation. Now let's kick things up a notch with the juice of half a lime. Lime juice adds a zingy freshness to the smoothie, but it also has detoxifying properties and is rich in vitamin C. And for an extra detoxifying boost, we add a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Ginger is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. To blend these ingredients into a smooth and refreshing smoothie, we add 1 cup of coconut water or plain water. Coconut water is a great source of hydration and electrolytes, making this smoothie even more refreshing. This detoxifying green smoothie, with all its refreshing and beneficial ingredients, is not just a drink, it's a health elixir. This smoothie supports weight loss and promotes overall health. Finally, we have our creamy almond banana smoothie, a creamy and satisfying choice that's rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This smoothie begins with a ripe banana, a natural sweetener packed with essential vitamins and minerals that help to maintain heart health and normalize blood pressure. Next, we add in 2 tablespoons of almond butter, a fantastic source of healthy fats and protein. Almond butter also offers a dose of fiber, keeping you full and satisfied for longer. Half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt is then blended in. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, and it's also rich in probiotics, which promote a healthy gut. To spice things up, we add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Beyond its warm, sweet flavor, cinnamon is known for its antioxidant properties and potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. The mixture is then thinned with half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is a wonderful dairy-free option that's low in calories yet high in vitamins and minerals. If you prefer your smoothies on the chillier side, feel free to throw in a few ice cubes. Blend all these ingredients together until smooth, adjusting the consistency with more almond milk if desired. And there you have it, a creamy almond banana smoothie that's not only delicious, but also nutritious. It's creamy, satisfying, and its ingredients are rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This smoothie is a great choice for weight loss and energy. Enjoy these recipes and remember, your health is your wealth.